And I think for people who are thinking about investing and entrusting, their nest egg to you, I think, just do it. You're looking to grow a portfolio like we are. So, get
Thank
out
you.
there and
It's
take a
like
chance.
literally as you're saying that nice stuff, the light, just the sun just turned on so
It's
nice,
just
and I'm like just watching
golden
this
hour.
happen. G'day guys, just down here in North Brisbane this afternoon with Gisella. We've just had an epic day, or I thought we've had an epic day
It's been a
on
good
the
day.
road. So Gisella's up from Melbourne, and I thought I might just put her on the spot and ask her a couple of potentially uncomfortable questions. So yeah, thanks for the day. How's it been? Because this is like the first time you've been to Brizzy for a while, or?
Yes, so I haven't been to Brisbane ever other than in transit. So it's been such a great day. I really loved it. It's been a really wonderful opportunity to see what Brisbane has to offer. In terms of, where our future lies and, property investments and so on.
Nice. So what we did today is like a really big / diverse day, but we went and checked out some of the cheaper suburbs on the south side. We also went closer to the city, and we finished up on the beaches here in North Brizzy. What was the thing that you, as someone that's been in Melbourne and grew up down there, like thought about Brisbane? Because I described it at the start of the day as like a bit of a toy city for you, and something that's a bit different. It's no Sydney or Melbourne yet.
No, not yet. Look, it's been really nice to drive around and see that Brisbane has something a little bit special to offer in comparison to Melbourne. Look, I love living in Melbourne. It's a great city. Brisbane's a lot more open. I think it has a lot of potential for growth, which is why we chose to sort of bring or start to establish an investment portfolio here. Look, I look forward to getting to know the area a little bit more once we start to look at some more properties. But yes, it is quite different to Melbourne, and I think there's a lot of opportunity for growth.
Awesome. Now, I suppose like for a lot of people, that decision of Sydney versus Melbourne versus Brisbane is a big one, and to step out of what you know into a new market. So the main reason I suppose we're doing that is because Melbourne has already gone nuts in the last 10 years, and as you said, Brisbane's coming off a much lower base. So like, what was the reason you decided to work with someone like us versus trying to do it on your own up here?
Well, I had some good advice. I think I was guided towards you to begin with. And look, we were really happy that we chose you after having watched some of your videos. I think honestly, the first thing that drew us to you was the fact that you're so personable, that you and Simon make this seem like, we knew that in this journey we'd need to have our hands held. There was no way, I don't think, that we would have done it on our own. So finding Pumped on Property and watching the videos, and I guess almost feeling like in watching those videos we were getting to know you.
Has there been a disconnect between what you saw online versus what you've got today?
Not at
outside
all.
of a bit more cheekiness, maybe?
No, it's been really good. No, you've been really consistent. So
Damn it.
So that's good.
The monotone voice has not gotten any better in person either. So I suppose moving forward, like your plan, you already own a couple of great assets in Melbourne. This is a self-managed super fund purchase for you guys, and hopefully we're looking for something that gets some long-term growth, but also great cash flow. Like, cash flow is important to both of us.
Yeah. So we haven't decided just yet what at this stage the priority is cash flow.
Sure.
We haven't really decided moving on from there if we're going to continue with on the cash flow journey, or if we're going to look at capital growth as a second, as an alternative, or as a second option once we kind of continue to grow. But yeah, at this point, cash flow is our priority, and so we're looking for a property that is going to be able to generate that for us in the long term.
Nice. And so what our plan is to buy a home and build a really nice granny flat, which we've seen a few today. And like, they sometimes come across as scary online because you can't see the distances, but I think you're sort of like same as myself, just surprised with how livable they can be.
Yeah, I really was. It was so great to see them on the ground. I think I would really offer that. If anybody asked for advice as a client, I would say definitely take the opportunity to come and see what it is that you're dealing with, because it's actually better in person. It was really nice to walk through a couple of the granny flats to see what it all looks like on the ground, rather than just looking at a computer screen and trying to get a picture.
What would you say to those people out there that were like you once, going, can I, like, are Ben and Simon going to be like they are, and what's this business going to be like, and can we trust them to deliver the result? Like, what are your thoughts now that you sort of get to know us a bit more? I hope today, like, having a laugh hasn't thrown off like the professionalism either.
No, having a laugh is good. I think personable it's kind of on the top of our list. I think when you're entrusting people with a task such as this, you want to know that you can get along with them. And I think it's been really nice to meet both you and Simon in person, and to know that we have, other than having hit it off over the phone, it has been the same, and we've been able to kind of build on this relationship. It's a really, really important factor for us. And I think for people who are thinking about investing and entrusting their nest egg to you, I think just do it. You're looking to grow a portfolio like we are, so get out there and
it's
take
like
a chance.
literally, if you're saying that nice stuff, the light, just the sun just turned on so
It's
nice,
just
and I'm like just watching this
golden hour.
happen. It's so good. I'm so grateful to get to know you. Thank you so much for doing this on the spot. Cheers. Oh, sweaty, so sweaty.